Hey, as you see, I am freaking thick right now. I am bundled up, feeling real fat. And that basically is because it is cold, it is very windy, and I'm gonna attempt to go fish in the flow tube. I'm going with my buddy Dave, my good buddy Dave. We're gonna hit a spot that we actually have hit before once. I have hit before once. Sure do appreciate you guys clicking on this video and taking your time out of the day to watch it. I'm running late, we've gotta go. Well, let's take the old Sting Ding and get on the road and catch some fish. We had to figure out what they were doing, and it looks like they're eating jigs, so. Not a giant one, but a fish. The first fish to start off that day, so. Little Z-Man cross-eyed jig with a chigger craw on the back. It's the first one. Little guy. Let's get some bigger ones though. It is really windy, so I don't even know if you can hear me. Really hard to feel a bite in all this wind. It's really hard to move. I caught one and I got like 2 more bites, but I missed them. Yeah, I had to cut that football head off. Is that, huh? Yeah. I was pitching up shallow, I couldn't get him through there. I do. I think that's what I'm throwing actually. Dude, I got smoked back there on this jig. Yeah, there's a lot of weeds right here. Dude, he choked it. Jeez. No, don't do that. Come here. Give me that mouth. Not bad. Look at that. Nice. It's a valid jig bite. It's a valid jig bite, that's for sure. Oh no, it's the fighter. He ran right at me, dude. That's why I had, dude, I'm so lucky I had that 7-to-1 gear ratio because I would not have been able to catch up to that guy otherwise. He ran at me after he smashed it. Absolutely smashed it. He's coming off. They're just hammering this thing, dude. Dude, I freaking hit a rock. It went like doosh, doosh, doosh. Wham! Started running straight at me, dude. I'm a dog sleeper. Oh, got him. There we go. On the dark sleeper. There we go. It's a tugger. I'll give him that. I knew there had to be a bass there. Out. It's not that big, but he's a fighter. And I've forgotten how to land these things in the float tube. There we go. Chunky guy. Dark sleeper right in the top of the mouth. Look at that. These fish are warm. He wanted it too. He's small. I don't even know how he fit that damn thing in his mouth. Look at him. The hell is this? Looks like a walleye. It definitely is. Dude, they've got some sharp teeth in here. He was offshore? Yep. Right on that weed edge? Yep. Here's one. Another little guy off of that weed edge. Get up here. Another one comes off that weed edge and that cross-eyed jig. He's really pale. All right, buddy. See you later. Dinks today. A lot of dinks. Skin hooked. Dump the heck out of it, man. Little guys. In that grass. I do not know. They're not, they don't seem to be shallow where we're flipping at. So I'm wondering if they're out deep on some like deep structure or something. I haven't caught a single fish over 2 pounds yet. Well, there's another one. I just got broke off by a giant that came up and just swiped my jig. I was reeling it in, and I saw the flash. It had to be like 4.5, 5. It was a giant, dude. Kept moving down the bank, flipping these reeds, and this one ate it. Not at all as big as that one that just broke me off, but of course I will take him because it is a fish. Oh, baby. That's not a bad one right there. It's a digger, all right. Sadly enough, that might be one of the biggest of the day. Come here, come here, come here, come here. There we go. That's not a bad one. Hey, Dave. Look at that. He's pretty short. He's stocky, dude. He's been feeding up. Dude, he was barely hooked. It was all pressure holding that thing in, but that's probably close to a 2. I'm not gonna lie. That's like 1 3/4. Not a bad one. Fat little guy. Let's let him go. That might be the last fish of the day, and if it is, I am grateful. Thank you for biting. Get out of here. Goodbye. That'd be a good way to end out this day. Not gonna lie. Of course, I'm gonna keep fishing.